again to my channel DNA.12 Education. Our topic today is about chemistry. The topic is balancing chemical equation. Okay, students, let's start studying about balancing chemical equation. So, what is chemical equation? The chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and a formula, wherein the reactant entities are given on the left-hand side and the product entities on the right-hand side. So the example is glucose plus oxygen yield carbon dioxide and water. 12, 2, and 2 is number of atom. 6, 6, and 6 is number of molecule or coefficient. Otherwise, L is state of matter. So how to balance equation quick and easy? Two methods of balancing equation quick and easy. The one, for short equation, the quickest method is guessing. For long equation, the quickest method is math technique. A short equation consists of 4 molecules max. Just guess the number of atom times coefficient on the left side and must be equal to the number of atom times coefficient on the right side. For long equation, 1. Choose 1 the complex or the biggest molecule among all molecules. 2. Assume 1 as the coefficient of the chosen molecules. Put A, B, C as the coefficient for the rest and solve by using mathematics techniques. Okay, students, we go to the next practice to make sure everything's clear how to balance chemical equations. Practice now. Okay, so then we are going to discuss about how to balance a short equation. As I informed before on the previous slide, the short equation maximum consists of 4 molecules, right? So for sample number 1, 1, 2, 3 molecules, right? There are 2 items, right? Okay, to balance this equation, you have to list all the elements for left side and the right side. Now, already listed. For the left side, there is in A, sodium and Cl. For the right side, in A and Cl. Okay. For the left side, there is 1 element in A. And for the right side, 1. Right? And then Cl, for the left side, there is 2. And for the right side, 1. Right? Now we're going to compare left and right. For in A, balance. But for Cl, unbalanced. How to make it balanced? Times by 2. Right? So times by 2 equal to. Automatically, here is 2. Okay? So, now the new composition and Na is 2. And Cl, 2 times 1, 2. Done. But for the left side, Cl2. For the right side, Cl2. Balance. In A, Na for the right side is 2. For the left side, Na is 1. How to make it balance? Times 2. Right? So, equal to. Automatically, here is 2. Right? So, now going to new composition. Na left 2, and A right 2. CL left 2, CL right side is 2. So, balance, right? Balance. Good. Now we go to the next question. To the next question. Carbon plus SO2 yield CS2 plus carbon monoxide. For the left side, C, carbon is 1, S is 1, oxygen 2. Okay, for the right side, carbon is 1, S 1 times 2 is 2, and oxygen, sorry, for carbon there is 2, right? 1 plus 1. 1 carbon, 1 carbon, so 1 is 2, sorry. For S, 1 times 2, 2, and oxygen, 1 times 1 is 1. Now we're going to compare left and right, okay? Carbon, 1 is 2, so times by 2 equal to, automatically here is 2, right? Carbon 2, balance, right? Now is S. For the right side, S equal to. For the left side, F is 1. So to make it balance, times 2 equal to. Automatically, we put here 2. Right? Now, the new composition is S 2 times 1 and O 2 times 2 is 4. But here is 2. Okay? Now is 4. Right? Okay. Go to the right side again. Carbon 2. Carbon 2. Balance. S left 2. Right 2. Balance. Oxygen. Left 4. Right 1. So to make it balance, you have to times by 4. Equal 4. Right? So we put here 4. Okay, so the new composition is carbon is 4 times 1, but here is 2, right? So now carbon is 4. Oxygen, 4 times 1, already 4. Now we go to the left side. Carbon is 4, but here carbon is 2. So to make it balance, times by 2. Is 4. So because of times by 2, you have to times by 2 again. So this one, 2 times 2, the new one is 4. Right? Now, you're going to adjust the position, the composition of all the elements. Carbon 4, carbon 4. S2, S2. Oxygen 4, oxygen 4. So, balance. Okay, student, is it right? Okay, so then we go to the next question about balancing chemical equation. Today I give you 2 more examples how to balance salt equation. Okay, number 3, ethane plus oxygen yield carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, how to balance this salt equation. Okay, everyone. We're going to balance this equation, okay? Just follow me. Okay, for the next step, you're going to list all the elements on the left side. Yeah. On the left side, carbon, 2 atoms. 8 hydrogen, 6 oxygen, 2. On the right side, carbon 1, hydrogen 2, and oxygen 2 plus 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 1, so totally 3. Okay, now we go to the next step of balancing this sort equation. Number 1. For the left side, carbon is 2. For the right side, carbon is 1. So you can multiply by 2. The carbon can be multiplied by 2. So 2. Right? And then we put this one here. 2. Right? So now the new composition, because of this coefficient 2 for carbon dioxide, carbon is 2 elements, right? And then oxygen is 4, 2 times 2 plus 1. So totally is 5. Right? Okay, next. This one, the second. Hydrogen is 6, but for the right side, hydrogen is 2. To make it balance, you have to times this one by 3. Totally 6. Hydrogen, 6. So you can put here. Right? 3. Right? Times by 3. You put here 3. So hydrogen is 6. Right? It is 6. And here is 6 too. But by putting this number as a coefficient of water, so the composition of oxygen now change 3 plus 4. The new composition, because we put the coefficient 3 run off the water here, so the oxygen is 4 plus 3. Now the oxygen is 7. Yeah. Go. Now we go to the next atom. Oxygen is 7, but for the left side, here is 2. So how to make it balance? To make it balance, you have to time this by 7 over 2. Okay, you got 7. On the left side, 7. On the right side is 7. Balance. So you have to put this one 7 over 2. Now you're going to check it. Carbon left 2, right 2, hydrogen left 6, right 6, oxygen left 7, right 7. So balance. So the equation already balanced. Okay, go to the next question. Number 4. FeO plus carbon yield iron plus carbon dioxide. Okay. Now you're going to list all the atoms on the left side. Left side. Iron, oxygen, and carbon. Right side. Iron, carbon, and oxygen. Okay, go. That's right. Next, for the left side, iron is 1. The right side is 1. Oxygen for the left side is 1. Okay, sorry. This is we're going to change the composition. There is O and carbon. O is 2, carbon is 1. Okay. For the left side, oxygen is 1. For the right side, oxygen is 2. Carbon for the left side is only 1. For the right side, 1 times 1 is 1. You understand? 1 times 1. So if there is no subscribe, means 1. Okay, everyone, we're going to balance this equation. The first is iron. For the left side is 1. For the right is 1. So balance. For the left side, oxygen is 1. What for on the right side is 2. How to make it balance? Times by 2 equal 2. So you have to put here 2, right? 2. Now, because we put the coefficient here 2, now we have a new composition. Iron will be 2, and the oxygen 2. Right? Okay. Go. Carbon. Carbon for On the left side is 1, but on the right side is 1. Balance. Okay. Now what's the problem? Carbon already balanced. Oxygen already balanced. Unbalanced one is iron. On the left side is 2. On the right side is 1. How to make it balance? Times by 2. Go 2. So you have to put here 2. Right? Now you're going to check again. Left, iron 2, right 2. Oxygen, left 2, right 2. Carbon, left 1, right 1. So the equation balance. Okay everyone, I think it's clear. Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright everyone, we go to the next step. How to balance long chemical equation. Okay, this is the sample long equation because more than 4 compounds or more than 4 molecules, more than 4 items. In this question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items. So please don't do guessing. Please do the math technique to solve this one. Okay everyone, the first is we are going to choose the complex molecule among all compounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The complex one, the biggest one is here. Right? Very complex. So the second step is put coefficient. Here 1. The coefficient is 1 for the complex one, and the rest give the variables A, B, C, D, E. Okay, clear, right? Okay, now we're going to list it one by one, step by step. Go to math equation. The first is carbon. Sorry, the first is calcium. Sorry, this is calcium. On the left side, we have 3. 1 times 3. And here, yield equal. On the right side, C times 1. So it's C, right? Clear. Here, no rest. Okay, so we got C equal 3. Next, phosphate. Phosphorus here. Okay. On the left side, we have 1 times 1 times 2. P. The left side is 2. Here there's nothing here. D times 4. D times 4. 4D. So we got D is 2 over 4, or D equal a half. Right. Go to oxygen. Oxygen. On the left side, 1 times 4 times 2. 1 times 4 times 2. 1 times 4 times 2, 8. And here, A times 2 plus 2A. A times 2, 2A. Here, no? Here, we got it. C times 3. This one here, okay. C times 3. Here means equal. C times 3, 3C. And here, there is no, oh here, we got it, alright. Okay. E times O plus E. Okay. What about D? A half C and equal 3. Okay. You can insert this one here. So we got 8 plus 2A equal 3. 3 times 3 plus E. So 8 plus 2A equals 9 plus E. For temporary, no solution. Just wait. Okay? Just wait. Good. And then go to silicon. On the left side, A times 1. A. Here there's 1. Here it's 1. C times 1. This one yield equal C times 1. C. Okay. So A equals C. Okay, everyone, how many C? This one is C. C is 3. So you have to insert C equal 3 to this equation. So A equal 3, right? So automatically you can insert A equal to here. A plus 2 times 3 equal 9 plus E. So 8 plus 6 equal 9 plus E, right? So 14 minus 9 equal E. So E is 5. You got it, right? You got E, 5 here. You got D, you got C, you got A. Well, after select what? Carbon. Carbon. On the left side, how many carbon here? There is none. Here, D. Yield equal. Next, carbon. Nothing. Here, E times E. E, right? E times E. E, right? How many E? 5. Okay? So you can insert this one. B equal 5. You got it, right? A, we got it A. B. Did you find C? Yes. C. D. Did you find E? Yes. Complete. So, what about the equation? Just insert here, right? So just insert how many E, how many B, how many C, D, and E to substitute all the variables, the coefficient A, B, C, D, and E, right? Do you have any question? So, the new equation is 1 Ca3 PO4 2 plus insert A. How many? 3. 3 SiO2 plus how many B? B is 5. 5 carbon. Yield. How many C? C is 3. C is 3. 3 calcium silicon O3. How many D? D is a half here. D is a half. Sorry. D is a half. P4 plus how many E? Where is E? E. E is 5. 5 CO. Okay, complete. So, let's check it. Calcium 3, calcium 3. Phosphate 1, phosphorus 1 times P times 2. 1 times 1 times 2. You got 2. P, a half times 4 is 2. What about oxygen? Oxygen 1 times 4 times 2. 1 times 4 times 2, 8. 3 times 2, 6 or 14. How many here? 3 times 3, 9. 5 times 1, 3 times 3, 9. 5 times 1, 5. So, totally 14. So, equal. So, the conclusion is balance. Thank you. Okay, students, we go to the next example, how to balance long equation. Okay, now I have the example again. BO plus carbon plus Cl2 yield BuCl2 plus carbon monoxide. I have 5 items here. So I said this one is a long chemical equation. So the technique, the easiest one how to balance this chemical equation is by assuming 1 for the complex 1. Okay? Now we're going to check it. It is the complex compound among 5 items here. Okay? I think this one, right? This is the complex one. Alright? Very complex. Okay? Complex and the biggest compound. So, as I mentioned before, please put number 1 as a coefficient here. right? And the rest is a variable. A, B, C, D, right? Now we go to the solution. Okay, now we're going to check it one by one. For BE, beryllium. Okay, BE. On the left side, A times 1, A. Here, nothing, nothing. On here, 1 times 1, so it's 1. Here is equal, 1 times 1 is 1. And nothing, okay? Go. Next. The next is oxygen. Okay, go to the oxygen. Oxygen. For the left side, A times 1 is A. There is no oxygen, there is no oxygen. Here, there is no oxygen. Here, D times 1. Yep, is equal, sorry. D times 1 is D. Okay, so because A is 1, 1 equal D. Right? Good. Next, carbon. On the left side, B times 1, B. Here there is no carbon, yield equal. There is no carbon. Here, B times 1, D. Okay, clear? But we got D1, right? So, you can insert here. So automatically you got B equal 1. Got it? Right? Go. After carbon, CO. CO. C times 2, 2C. Yield equal CO. 1 times 2, 2. Just a CO. So you got C is 2 over 2 equal 1. Right? Now we want to check it. We got A, we got B, we got C, and we got D. Complete. Okay? So, the equation is, the balanced chemical equation is 1, sorry, I want to change my color. 1 BeO plus B, where is B? 1 carbon plus C, where is C? 1 Cl2 yield BeCl2 because we got already here 1, so this here 1, and the last is D. Where is D? D is 1. Okay, 1 CO carbon monoxide. Okay, clear everyone? Very easy, right? Thank you very much.
From John Paul School, and I will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di Bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di Bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke, salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Canisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60 menjadi nilai 80 dan nilai saya yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. Semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.
Okay, so then we go to the next question. Long equation. How to balance the long equation. Over one, actually there are 4 items of compound here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. But it seems difficult. If you think it seems difficult, you can choose the mathematics techniques or long equation solution. Okay? Over one, we're going to try to balance this long chemical equation. Okay, as usual, you have to put coefficient 1 for the complex or the biggest compound. When you check one by one, I think this is the biggest one. I think you agree with me. This is the biggest complex compound. You have to put number 1 as a coefficient for the biggest complex one. 1. Okay, and the next or the rest you can put A, B, and C. Now we're going to try to balance this long equation. Okay, now is for PB. PB. On the left side, 1 times 1. 1. Here there is no and then yield equal. We got this one PB. B times 1. We got B. There's nothing. So we got B equal 1, right? Okay. Next, the next element is N, nitrogen. Left, 1 times 1 times 2. 2. Once again, 1 times 1 times 2. 2. and then yield equal. Where is N? Oh, here. C times 1. C. Okay. So you got C equal to. Now is O. What about O? Okay, O. 1 times 3 times 2. Once again, 1 times 3 times 2. You got 6. Here there is no O. Yield equal. There is no O. Here you got O. C times 3. 3C. Right? So C equal to. Got it? Right? Same. Right? Okay, next. Go after O is K. Now is K. Left. There is no here. A times 1. A. Yield equal. There is no K, here K. C times 1. C. So the conclusion A equals C. Right? How many C? 2. So A equals C equal 2. Right. Okay. Now we got A, we got B, we got C. Finished, right? Okay, now we're going to rewrite again for the balance equation. Okay, so 1 CD NO3 times plus A. How many A? 2, right? So this one. So 2 KI yield. How many B? B is 1. 1. Okay. Plus C. How many C? 2. Here. 2. 2. O. Right? Very easy, right? So balance combination equation. Okay, student, I think I still have one more example. How to balance long equation. Okay? Right acid, calcium carbonate, yield, CaCl2 plus water plus carbon dioxide. How to balance this one? Okay, as usual, you have to put coefficient 1 for the complex one. So where's the complex one? Which one the complex one here? Yes, I think you agree with me. I think this one. Right? That's it. Now the rest we have to put A, B, C, D. A, B, C, C. Right? Okay, try to balance this long equation. Start from H. Origin. On the left side, A times 1. A yield equal this one. You got it? 2C. C times 2, right? 2C. Here, there's no. Okay, finish. And then Cl. Cl. On the left side, A times 1. A. Here, nothing. Here, you got it right. Here. 1 times 2. 2. Here. So you got A equals to. Yeah, very good. Go after Cl is calcium. Ca. On the left side, B times 1. B. Yield equal 1 times 1. 1 times 1. 1. Nothing. Finish! Everyone, you got B equal 1. B equal 1, right? Actually, this one you got A equal 2, right? You got A equal to, you can insert here. So A equal to C means 2 equal to C, so C equal 1. Right? C, A, B. Alright, go. With the rest? B. Yeah? Next, after calcium is carbon. Go, carbon. Left. What is 1? B times 1. B. yield equal. Where is carbon? Oh, here, D. D times 1. D, right? Oh! You got this one, B equal 1. Insert 1 equal D. So, you got it, D equal 1. Is it complete? Check it. A, how many A? 2. How many B? B. How many C? Here. How many D? Here. Complete, right? Complete. So, now our job to insert all A, B, C, D to equation, right? So, let's see. Okay, everyone, now insert the coefficient. A is how many? 2. So here, 2. B, where is B? B is 1. 1. This one? 1, right? 1. Change, right? This one? Order? C, where is C? C is 1. 1, right? And then D, where is D? D is 1. Right here. So A is there's A2, and then B is 1 here, and then this one still remain 1. C, so you got 1 here, and D here. How many D? D 1. Okay. Balance. Very easy, right? Okay. Okay, this is the question of many students. Is long equations, mathematics equation to balance chemical equation can be applied into short equation? Once again, the question is long equation technique or long equation method can be applied into short equation? The answer is yes. Of course. Okay, look at the sample. 19 plus oxygen yield carbon dioxide plus water, right? Okay, so please choose which is the complex compound among 4 items. I think you agree with me. This one, right? Okay, put number 1 here as a coefficient, and the rest is A, this one is B, this one is C. Right? Okay, now you're going to list one by one. Carbon on the left side, 1 times 5. 5. Yield equal. You got carbon here. B times 1. B. Okay, done. Right? You got B. Next, hydrogen. Right? Hydrogen. Here. Okay, on the left side, 1 times 10. You got 10. Yep. No, 8. Oh, it's 1. You got 8. C times 2. 2C. So C is 5. Good. You got C equals 5. Next. Okay. Now is oxygen. Oxygen. On the left side, you got A times 2. Right? So you got 2A. Yield equal. Now you got this one, right? B times 2. 2B. But you still find here oxygen. C times O plus C times 1. C. Once again, for oxygen, B times 2. 2B. C times 1 is C. Now, you have a short equation, simple equation, but you already know B and C. Okay, we got B 5 and C 5. You can insert 2 items into the equation, into the new equation. Okay, just insert B equal 5, then insert C equal 5 to equation. Okay, next. So 2 times A. 2 times, you got B, right? Times 5 plus C. C is 5. Got it, right? So 2a equal 2 times 5, 10 plus 5, 5. So 2a is 15. You got a equal 15 over 2. Okay, so then now everything's complete. You got A, you got B, you got C. Once again, you got A, you got B, you got C. Now, we will rewrite the equation for the balancing. So, divide it's 10 plus oxygen yield carbon dioxide plus water. Okay? Now, insert the coefficient. Here is 1, A is 15 over 2. Here is B, B is 5. And water, C, C is 5. Okay, but you can simplify all the equation. You can simplify all the equation by times 2, right? All the equation you can times by 2. You can times by 2. So make it the integer or